joining me. My name is LaSheena Williams, and I am a Maryland family law attorney. My firm helps our clients take control of out-of-control domestic situations. Today, we will be discussing seeking an alimony award. Alimony is court-ordered spousal support. In Maryland, it comes in two different types. You can get rehabilitative alimony, which is alimony that's paid to a lesser earning spouse so that they could get into a position when they can care for themselves and be self-sustaining. You can also get permanent alimony, which is a court order that your spouse is required to pay a certain amount of money for the rest of your life. There are several things you can do to increase the likelihood of receiving an alimony award. One, you can make sure that you have provided the court with the appropriate documentation needed to make a determination. For example, a long-form financial statement. You can also provide documentation and evidence of all your non-financial contributions to the marriage, whether it's maintaining the household, working at your spouse's business for no pay, making sure that your children have been cared for, making sure that you show the court that you were the reason your house is a home. There are a few obstacles to alimony awards in Maryland. There are a number of things that could be an obstacle to you receiving an alimony award in Maryland. The first is that the court is not necessarily inclined to award permanent alimony awards without serious justification. Typically, if you have education, you have a college education, you've had the ability to work in the workforce, you've earned a certain amount of income throughout your marriage or even before, you have the ability to sustain yourself, the court is unlikely to award a permanent award of alimony. If, for some reason, your spouse is not making as much as they would need to make in order to maintain their household and the financial needs you have for your household, you may be less likely to receive an alimony award. Yes, it's true that sometimes if there's a distinct disparity in income that you're more likely to get an alimony award, but the court takes into consideration a number of factors that go beyond just disparity in income. And it's important for you to speak with an attorney to make sure that you are presenting the best case possible to make it more likely that you are receiving the relief that you are requesting. If you have any questions about seeking an alimony award in Maryland or any other domestic-related issues, please feel free to give me a call at 301-778-9950 to speak with an attorney today.